Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos.
Passionate artist with a soul, an art educator with a vision and mission. Meet our marvelous Mahila Dr. Madhumita Banerjee with her beautiful artworks.
Thank you for such a warm welcome, and I'm so pleased to be with such a innovative and empowering woman, and empowered women empowering other women. So it's a pleasure to be with you and talking to you.
So, ma'am, what have been the key driving force to switch to the career from medical professional to an artist? Would you like to tell us more about that?
I'm a medical practitioner, and we had a very good roaring practice. Some things happened in my life, some tragedies struck, and when I was practicing, I was giving my 100%.
Okay.
And now, during the lockdown and a few years prior to it, 7 years ago, I lost my only child. And after that, I felt as if I have lost all the colors in my life. There was no motivation. There was nothing. I felt there was nothing positive. I'm doing just routine things, nothing new, nothing different. But I have an intrinsic tendency to bounce back. So I attended a few workshops, especially Prafulla Sawant's workshop by the River Ganges in Banaras, and those things brought back the colors in my life. And then I realized after a certain point, I'm giving my 100%, and I'm getting lots of recognition. I was getting lots of recognition both in India as well as internationally. I was selected by IWS Canada for an award ceremony also. But then again, something happened. My husband was diagnosed with renal failure, and he had to start with the dialysis. So we women, we tend to improvise, cut corners, so that we can, we ourselves also want to be happy, and we want whatever is around us to be happy, and we know where we have to take a stand. So I had to prioritize, and I could not go. My visa was also fixed, but I could not go. Then I decided to invest in myself and learn more. I felt that I am coming to a brick wall. I'm not going beyond it. So I realized, then I introspected. When I studied to be a medical practitioner, we went through the whole thing, 11th, 12th, then PMT. I had a very good rank in PMT. Then I got into the medical profession. So I learned the basics and everything. 5 years, we are into that thing, studying, seeing the patients, then correlating the things, then getting corrections from our mentors, our teachers, our professors. So I realized that I need to have the concepts cleared. So I studied a university course for clearing my fundamentals, and also I worked under two mentors, one in Canada and one in India. He's a very famous watercolorist, Vikrant Shitole from Mumbai, from JJ School of Arts. I worked under him for 1 year, and I understood why the whys, that is most important. Once you understand the whys, the hows will come. And I realized in the teaching world also, in the medical art education, I realized this thing is needed. But these are made so complicated and so difficult, it is difficult for a common person to, or an art aspirant to understand. People like you and me who are in a professional career, who have 2-3 hours and who want to really express themselves. So they find it difficult. So I decided that whatever I have learned, whatever I have imbibed, I'll share it with others, and I'll make the courses, uh, short-term courses as well as long-term courses. And I'm already, my work is being sold. People are, whatever they like, they purchase it. And despite lots of challenges in my life, my work is all about peace, love, faith, all positivity.
Positive.
There is no hint of any negativity or any depression or anything, because I feel already there is so much of crisis in the world, so much of difficulties, challenges, and at least if somebody looks at my work, they should smile, they should feel there is something good. This is what I wanted to do, and I really get so much of love back, and I'm very happy because I did it. And I gave 100% to my medical career. Now I'm giving my 100% to, I'm still studying, you know. I do so many workshops, international workshops. I teach also, and I learn also. So it is, the process is going on like
This is learning process always should keep on going.
yes.
Could you just let us know what exactly art means to you now?
It is basically the expression of the soul, you know. And earlier I used to think people are just saying these words just for the heck of it.
Yeah.
But for me, art is really expression of your soul. Many people tell me, I want to do art, but you know, I can't even draw a line. Then I tell them, if you can make A, if you can write A, if you can write 1, 2, 3, all have the potential to be an artist.
Okay.
Just now you said you like the artwork, you appreciate another person, you understand what is hurting somebody, you can feel somebody's pain. You know, all these are qualities of an artist only.
Okay.
So we all are artists. Every soul that has empathy, that has love for others, they are all artists.
So, who has been your greatest influencer? Like anybody whom you look up to, or anything to take an influence from? Or
You know, I'm an ardent fan of Vincent van Gogh, and I follow an एक artist है, Paul Cézanne. He is a French artist, and it was in 18th century. He said some words. He said, art is very simple, and whatever you see, you can just break it into, you start seeing a geometrical shape. You put a geometrical, face is an oval, circle, neck is a cylinder, rest of the body is a rectangle. So you can split the things or simplify the things into these, and then you can build upon it. So this is my mantra also, that my working with me will be fun, easy, and doable. So you can, and I have realized at my age, I have realized the more I simplify the things, the more what I'm talking to you is within me. Whatever is inside me is coming out. I don't have to pretend. I don't need to pretend. Like you don't need to pretend. At our age, we don't need it. So
Perfect.
I feel the more simplified my teaching is, the more simplified my life will be.
Great. And what exactly is your strength? How do you do your SWOT analysis?
Actually, the environment around us, that is inspiring us also, that is guiding us also, leading us also. And the strength is basically, it has to be, we have to look within us. Everything is within us. And I don't know, I feel there is so much of love and affection within me, and I feel I can connect with people very easily. It flows from me.
Yeah.
And it happens with the people I meet also. And I have had my share of tragedies, but I want with my artwork, with my sharing, if it makes somebody's life happy, if it makes somebody feel empowered, especially working women, especially women. And my work is almost all women centric. I don't know, I have a very soft core for women, and I keep my virtual assistants also women. My computer assistant is also woman. I love to work with women, and I can understand where they are. So I'm never very harsh with them. I can understand. We have so many physiological problems also, but I can empathize, and they work well. And we women make the things very pleasant, very congenial, and it is wonderful to work with them. My team is very good.
You are a successful doctor, successful artist. So how do you define your success?
Our focus has to be very clear.
Okay.
We have to be very focused, and we have to be very consistent.
Yeah.
And practice. जिसको कहते हैं ना कि नीयत अच्छी होनी चाहिए हमारी, सबसे जरूरी है कि नीयत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Whatever we do should be for benefit of many. सिर्फ अपना फायदा होगा उसमें कभी भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, है ना. जितने लोगों को हम हेल्प कर पाए किसी भी फॉर्म में, जितने लोगों को एम्पावर कर पाए किसी भी फॉर्म में, that is what will be making me better and stronger. Because if my team, like I see, if my team is strong, if another woman is strong, the female who is helping in my house, she is strong, she'll be giving me better service, I'll be giving her more, and this is a mutual give and take. Instead of exploitation, if we all nurture each other. And in my work, whether when I was a practicing doctor or now I am a professional artist, consistency is very important. Today I'm doing so much, for 1 week nothing is there. So, and social media is ready, waiting for us. So we have to be very consistent. I'm very consistent and I'm loving it. I've never done it before, but I really enjoy making videos of my work, showing my artwork, talking to people, writing. I'm writing a book also on watercolors. Okay. And yes, all these they really make me feel, when I'm live, I feel alive actually.
You should.
I have no camera. I'm not camera shy or anything, because actually I'm a professor in a dental college also.
Any piece of advice from your side, ma'am, to the beginners or who is actually not a very perfect artist? Any advice you would like to give?
Yes, I just the only advice is, we all have one life, and this is that life. And we have so many things inside us. Never suppress the things. We have such a beautiful forum. Let us express ourselves. And music, dance, painting, all these are forms of expressions. So if we are expressive in that way, then we can save ourselves from many mental diseases. Art is a therapy also. Color is a therapy also. So these are therapeutic. Once you use the paintbrush, once you are doing watercolors, you will feel that you are meditating only.
You are a very easy person to make art very easy and to kind of simplify every work.
Yes, should be. I think I have learned it at a very, earlier I used to I had a very good vocabulary and I would use bombastic words and difficult words. Now I'm coming down to what everybody can understand. And that is giving me more pleasure. That is giving others also more pleasure. Maybe a smile from you, maybe a kind word from you will save somebody. Maybe your kind presence will save somebody. So I think we should be, if God has sent us, maybe this is my mission now. This is my mission. This is my vision. To let the art, especially watercolors, reach everybody and bring pleasure and confidence and fearlessness and empowerment to everybody, all women especially.
Okay. Say, I must congratulate the way you have created this
Thank you.
vision of art, and I wish all the success to your endeavors, ma'am. Thank you so much for
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.